What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is episode 10 of the Tailgate Alaska Festival, and I'm going to take you flying, so let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby.
Tyler Dyer in the house. Get some northern lights out. Oh, it's coming in kind of slow. Shady move.
Truck House Timmy.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah. Oh. Whoa! Nice. I don't even have one of those yet.
My wife surprised me.
Nice.
We want you.
Yeah, I ordered a pillow. It's in our camper.
Oh, sweet. Is it soft?
Why not? Mr. Frank Stafford himself over here.
Well, boys and girls, we're breaking apart the split board, breaking it in half, and we're gonna try to go speed flying. If you don't know what that is, you'll see in a minute. Nice. Yeah, those are locked in. Looks like I got a pair of skis now. That's kind of cool. Let's see if I can remember how to do all this. It's been a hot second. Wind's gusting like just a little bit, but it's pretty mellow. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is check our strings, because it's been probably 2 years since I've done this. So let's move the split board out of the way. That OGSO split board is pretty sweet. And these are the A strings. Those are good. These are good. These are good. And the brake is good. Your body is going to hang from those strings. Sounds kind of crazy, huh? Let's check this side. Tops are good. These are good. These look good. Brake looks good. Sometimes you can throw snow on the bottom edge of the wing just to make sure the top, like the front, pops up first, which is what we're gonna do real quick. Okay, I'm about as nervous as I'm gonna get. I've never even tried skiing with these, so hopefully this works. The scary part about these is your feet can't pop out like skis, so you gotta be really careful. This feels pretty crazy. All right, this will be over my shoulder. So I'm gonna bring this around and over my shoulder and click that in like so. And we are officially hooked to the wing. Put that over your arm, pull the brake, put it in your hand. Put this over your arm, pull out the brake, put it in your hand. Reach up and grab the risers, put our goggles on, and then I'm gonna try to do some speed flying. Ah, horses. Well, it went up for a second and the wind got all wonky on me. Maybe we can still get it, doggone it. Ah, false bad start. What I did here is I didn't start on a steep enough hill, so I didn't build my speed up fast enough, and then it just went down. It kind of sucks when that happens, but freaking is what it is. In this case, you have to like unclip everything, throw it down, and go set it up again. Oh, whatever, I guess those give me a chance to feel out the skis. They feel crazy. You pretty much can't fly unless this top is squared up like it needs to be. Guys ready to see if we can do it again? All right, take two. All right, we're good. see if we can fly over the bank slalom. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Oh my God. I forget how much fun that was. That was gorgeous. That is so scary if you haven't done that in a long time. Yeah, dude. I feel so crazy if you haven't done it in a while. You just feel like little wind gusts take you up. You're like, whoa.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
Dude, that's sick.
That was pretty fun. Thanks for the bump, man.
Yeah. That was cool. You flew over the bank slalom.
Yeah, I started going down. I was like, I was gonna go check out the slalom, but
yeah.
You know, split board works great for skiing too. I didn't know how that was gonna go.
I know, after seeing that, I'm like, well, looks like I'm gonna have to get a freaking speed wing and
yeah,
a split board.
I can do it up. That was so awesome. There's the harness you wear, which turns into a bag, which is cool. Turn it inside out. We're gonna put the wing up and then we'll go head up and check out the bank slalom event that I just flew over there. It's really important when you put your wing away just to organize it and put it up in a good way. That way your strings just don't get all tangled and crazy every time. Sometimes it makes it tricky when the wind is blowing like this to put it away, but I think we got it. I think this thing's like an Ozone Firefly 2 is the model. It's a 16-meter wing, so it keeps you pretty high, but I don't like touching the ground and getting low. That's how most of my friends get hurt doing it, so I like staying up and away from the ground, but still descending. I love how we get back from like an epic day and just go straight back out. Here we are, bank slalom event going on. So it's just this naturally banked feature up in here, and not a better day to do it.
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for the next episode where we finish up the whole Tailgate Alaska Festival. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace, y'all.